Hello and welcome back to this course of AutoCAD. Today we are here to know the selection procedure of AutoCAD. So suppose we want to select some things. Before starting, let's know that there is two windows of selection in AutoCAD. I just click at this point, and when we are dragging my mouse towards right side of the point where we have clicked, so it's showing a blue window. Similarly, if we are going to left side of the point which has been clicked, it's showing green window. So actually in this lecture we will know what is meaning of this blue circle and this green circle. This blue circle is used to select those items which is inside a complex structure or shape. So only those objects will be selected by this blue rectangle or the blue window, which is totally inside this window. But in green window, all the objects will be selected which is inside the window or which is touching the screen window. Here I have drawn some shapes already. Let's know how we use selection window in AutoCAD by this example. Suppose I have to delete this line, but I don't want to delete this line. So let's select by green window. You can see here when we have selected this line, by the default property of green window, second line is also selected. So when we will click the delete button, both of the line will be deleted. So it is not as per our need. So now we are going to use a blue window where only those objects will be selected which is totally inside this blue window. So now you see here we have drawn a blue window in which this horizontal line is totally inside this blue window, where there is some part of line at angle which is outside of this blue window that is not selected. So let's click, and you can see we have selected only those lines which was necessary to delete as per our feelings. So we'll just click the delete button and horizontal line has deleted already. So this is how we use a blue window and green window in selection procedure. Let's understand this example in better way. Suppose we have to delete this circle and this line. We don't want to select this big rectangle, so we're going to use a green rectangle, but as the default property of green window, the big rectangle is also selected along with this circle and line. So it's not up to willing, it's not up to need. So what we are going to do is that, you might understand what we are going to do, that now we are going to use a blue window. Yeah, you are right, window. So click on escape button and use a blue window. Now you see this circle and line is totally inside this blue window, where some part of the rectangle is outside of the selection blue window. So now click on the delete button and it is deleted. So just keep in knowledge and practice for this command. This is very important. Thank you.